What's up, guys? In this video today, I'm going to be introducing you all to the PHAROS testnet network airdrop. All right. So this project has currently raised about 8 million US dollars in funding through its seed round investment. That is its early stage funding. All right. So big investors are currently on this project as I speak. Okay. So this tells us that this project is going to be a big shot, and I bet you wouldn't want to miss out, guys. All right. So in this video today, we're going to be looking at some potential use cases for the PHAROS network and as well the project funding. All right. So make sure to stick with me on through this video, guys. Don't skip any part of it so you get the full basic information on what I'm going to be sharing you all today. All right. So if this is your first time joining us right here on this channel, this is NWeDone TV, and what to do here is to give you basic guides on how you can make legitimate money right here on the internet space. Because I, for myself, guys, I make 100% of my income right here on the internet space. Okay, so make sure to smash on that subscribe button right now. Destroy that subscribe button, guys. Turn on the bell icon so whenever NWeDone TV uploads wonderful videos like this one you're about to watch right now here on YouTube, you are always going to be the first to get notified, and then you're going to quickly hop into it to start making the most amount of money for yourselves right away, guys. Okay, so without further ado, let's dive straight into the business of today. Okay, guys, so here we are on my Google Docs page right now. So up here says Introduction to PHAROS Testnet Network Airdrop. Okay, so it says that the PHAROS network is a blockchain-based project that aims to provide a decentralized and secure platform for various applications. So here are some key features and details about PHAROS network. So number one right here says blockchain infrastructure. All right, so it says that the PHAROS network is built on a blockchain framework that provides a secure, transparent, and decentralized environment for users and developers. Okay, so the second right here says decentralized applications, and it says that the platform supports the development and deployment of decentralized applications, which is the DApps, enabling developers to build innovative solutions. All right, so the next right here says security and scalability, and it says that the PHAROS network prioritizes security and scalability, ensuring that the platform can handle a high volume of transactions and user activity. All right. So lastly, right here says community engagement, and it says that the project encourages community participation with opportunities for users to contribute to the development and growth of the platform. Okay. So down here talks about some potential use cases for PHAROS network. And number one right here says decentralized finance, which is a DeFi. All right. So PHAROS network would support DeFi applications such as lending, borrowing, and trading platforms. Okay, so the next right here says supply chain management, and it says that the platform's blockchain infrastructure could be used to track and verify the movement of goods and materials. All right, so next right here talks about identity verification, and it says that PHAROS networks decentralized identity solutions could provide secure and efficient identity verification processes. Okay, so these are some potential use cases for the PHAROS network. So next right here talks about the project funding, and it says that PHAROS network has currently raised $8 million in funding through its seed round investment. And it says that this round was co-led by Lightspeed Fraction and Hack VC, with participation from other notable investors. Okay, so these are investors who actually funded this project, guys. All right, so down here says that the funding will be utilized to accelerate the development of the PHAROS protocol, drive ecosystem growth, and support community development, focusing on decentralized finance, reward assets, and other innovative applications. Okay, so to learn more about the PHAROS network, you can explore their official website, social media channels, or documentation. All right, but I believe I've given you enough info right here, guys. So now let's go see how it works practically. All right, so let's go, guys. Okay, guys, so here we are on the PHAROS testnet website homepage right now. So the very first thing you need to do while you are here is connecting your wallet. All right, so how do you connect your wallet? So up here that is connect wallet, you just simply hit on it. All right, so I'm going to hit on this place down here that is all wallet. I'm going to hit on it. All right, so I'm going to hit on MetaMask right here, guys. Okay, so while we're here on MetaMask, you just simply hit on this discovery button down below here, guys. All right, so I'm going to erase this stuff right here, and then I just paste the link to the PHAROS website right here on the search bar, guys. Okay, I'm going to paste, and then I just simply hit on enter, guys. Here we are. Okay, so over here that is connect wallet, you hit on it again, and then you just simply select MetaMask. Okay, so I'm going to hit on connect right here, guys. Okay, it says unable to connect, switch. I'm going to hit on switch, guys. Here we are. So over here says we don't recognize this network. Be sure the chain ID is correct before you continue. Okay, down here says you are adding this network to MetaMask and giving testnet.pharosnetwork.xyz permission to use it. Okay, so I'm actually giving PHAROS testnet permission. So I'm going to hit on the confirm button down here. All right, so let's see how this goes, guys. I'm going to hit on got it. All right, Boom. So as you can see, I just connected my wallet and it says success. Your wallet is now ready. So I'm going to hit on continue, guys. Okay. Gonna hit on confirm. Boom. So I just connected my wallet right now, guys. All right. So now that your wallet has been connected, you can now start completing tasks right here on a daily basis, guys. Okay. So one of those tasks is checking in daily to earn some Pharaoh tokens. All right. So I'm going to hit on check in right here. Okay. As you can see, it says sign in successfully. So I just, claim some tokens right now. So I'm going to scroll down below here. As you can see, you can swap tokens right here. You can provide liquidity. You can also send some, Pharaoh's tokens to friends. You can invite friends as well to earn some Pharaoh's tokens. Okay. So down below here says Pharaoh's identity service is coming soon, and collect NFTs is also coming soon. All right. Okay, so over here down below talks about social tags. So you can actually engage with them on social media to earn some, tokens for yourself as well, right? So you can just follow them on X right here, and then you actually retweet on X, and as well, you reply to them on X and also join the Discord, okay? So when you actually complete these tags right here, you stand a chance of winning some Pharaoh's token. Okay, so I'm going to complete all these tags right now, guys, and I'm going to be right back, okay? So let's go. Okay, guys, so as you can see, I've completed the task right here. So it's just remaining Discord, and it seems the Discord is currently malfunctioning, guys. Okay, so I'm going to try it out again later. So when you are done completing all the stuff, you're going to see right here that your level increases. As you can see right now, I'm currently on level 2. So when I'm done completing the Discord verification, I'm going to be on level 3, guys. All right. So what are other things you can do right here? So you can actually swap your crypto right here by just hitting on swap. Here we are. So before you can actually swap your Pharaoh's token right here, you first of all need to connect your wallet again, guys. Okay. So I'm going to hit on connect down below here. I'm going to hit on wallet connect, guys. Okay. All right. So I'm going to hit on this place right here that says select wallet. I'm going to select MetaMask. Here we are. So down below here says connect. I'm going to hit on connect, guys. All right. So let's see how this goes. As you can see, it says permission updated. Okay, so guys, our wallet has been connected and now we can swap. All right, I'm going to hit on this place down below here that is select token. So you can actually swap your, Pharaoh's token to USDC, USDT, and that is it. So let's say you actually want to select USDT. So I can just select USDT right now. And as you can see, let's say I actually have some Pharaoh's token. I'll just simply swap to USDT. So that is basically how you can swap. All right. So guys, there's also a way you can earn the Pharaoh's token each and every single day simply by using a faucet. Okay, so I'm going to go over there right now, guys. I'm going to hit on this place right here. And then I hit on this place right here, guys. And over here that shows this 3 hamburger sign. I'm going to hit on it. So up here that says home, I'm going to hit on home, guys. Okay, so as you can see, I'm currently on the home page right now. So guys, when you are here on the home page for your case, you would actually need to connect your wallet again right here on the home page, guys. Okay, so when you are done connecting your wallet, you can simply move down below here. Okay, and right here says get started, connect wallet, add testnet, and dive in. So down below here says claim testnet tokens, maximum 0.2 PHRS every 24 hours. Okay, so guys, down below here is my wallet address. So you don't need to paste any wallet right here. Automatically, your wallet is going to be pasted right here for you. Okay, so down here that says I'm not a robot, you just simply hit on I'm not a robot, guys. It's going to load up. So I'm going to complete this captcha right here. It says select all images with bicycle. So I'm going to select bicycle right here. Bicycle, bicycle, bicycle. I'm going to hit on verify, guys. Boom. So I'm going to hit on this place down here that says claim now. Okay, so as you can see, it says testnet tokens received. Okay, so I just claimed this token right now. So every 24 hours, guys, I can come here to claim 0.2 PHRS every 24 hours. So make sure not to, skip this, guys. All right. So guys, before we proceed with this video, if you're actually gaining value right now, please don't hesitate to smash on that subscribe button right now if you're actually new right here. And as well, like this video, guys, so it can actually reach out to more persons who might be in need of this. All right. So guys, the next step right now will be hitting on this hamburger sign right here. And down below here that says experience, you just simply hit on experience, guys. Okay. So here we are. All right. So I'm going to go down below here, guys. So as you can see right here that says provide liquidity. So let's say you actually want to provide liquidity to the Pharaoh's ecosystem. All you can simply do is hit on this place down below here that says deposit. Here we are. So over here says my positions or pools. And down here says your active liquidity positions will appear here. All right. So if you actually want to provide liquidity to the pool, all you just simply do is hit on new pool right here. And over here that says select a token, you just simply hit on it, guys. Okay. And then you can select from whatever token you want to use in providing liquidity, guys. Okay. You can either use the USDC coin or the USDT. Okay, so mind you first of all need to have some amount of money in either your USDC or USDT before you can provide liquidity right here. Okay, So guys, this is not a financial advice. Just make sure to do your own proper research, guys. All right, so I'm going to exit right now. So that is it for adding liquidity right here, guys. I'm going to go back right now. I'm going to hit on this place again. Okay, so the next step would be send to friends. So you can actually send some tokens to friends by hitting on the send button right here. And then you just simply input their wallet address down below here, and as well just input the amount right here. As you can see, I currently have 0.2 pharaohs right now. Okay, so I actually claimed this a while ago, and I hope you guys saw exactly how I did that. Okay, so if you actually want some pharaohs token, just leave your wallet address down below this comment section, and guys, I'm going to be giving some persons some pharaohs token. Okay, so the first 3 persons to comment on the comment section with their wallet address is going to get some pharaohs tokens from me. All right, so when you're actually done, just simply hit on the send pharaohs right here, and boom, guys, that is basically how you can send. If you actually want to invite your friends, you can simply hit on the invite button right here, and then you simply scroll up. Okay, so this is your invite link. You can simply copy your invite link, and then you actually give it to your friends, and when they actually sign up using your link, you and your friends are going to get rewarded, guys. Okay, so that is basically how you can invite your friends. Okay, so guys, my invite link is going to be on my Telegram channel. So make sure you go over there, because the link is going to be on this video description. I'm going to be leaving my Telegram channel link on this video description. So you can just simply go over there and just, grab the link to start up the PHAROS testnet right away, guys. Okay, so don't snooze on this. All right, so guys, I believe I've given you enough insight on how you can actually start up the PHAROS testnet and start making some good amount of tokens for yourself before the main net. All right, so guys, this is where I'm going to be drawing my curtain for today. More and more updates on potential airdrops will be coming, and as well, I'm going to be updating you on the PHAROS testnet, guys. All right, so make sure you actually smash on that subscribe button right now if you have not done that already, and as well, like this video, guys. Okay, to actually reach out to more persons who are going to be in need of such updates. Okay, so guys, thank you all for watching this video. Also, make sure to join my Telegram channel for quick update, guys. Okay, the link is going to be on this video description. All right, so thank you all once more for watching this video. Do have a wonderful day, guys. Peace out.